welcome to my kitchen. Let's make fruit sandwich today. Remove the edges of the bread. This is optional. Now let's prepare the fruit. Remove the stem from the strawberry. Next, cut out two little V's out of this to make it look like a tulip. Over here I've got sliced kiwi, peeled tangerine, grapes cut in half lengthwise, about 1.5 cup of whipped cream with just a little sugar. Friends, this is the first time I'll be making flower fruit sandwich, so let's see how it turns out. First, let's make flower fruit sandwich. Spread about a tablespoon of cream on a piece of bread. Start by arranging the fruit diagonally. Next goes in the grape slice. Just a little more cream to cover up the grape. 2 slices of kiwi. Cover the kiwi slices with little more cream. Grape on top and just a little more cream. Take another piece of bread and spread cream lightly. Press gently. Wrap this sandwich in a plastic wrap. Keep it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Mark the direction in which the fruit was arranged so that we cut it in the right direction. Let's make one more flower fruit sandwich. Arrange the fruit diagonally. This is a whole grape. Two slices of kiwi. Cream on top of the kiwi. Grape on top of the cream. Little pieces of strawberry. Cover the fruit with more cream. Lightly spread cream on another piece of bread. Mark the direction in which the fruit was arranged. Chill this for 15 minutes. This is a normal fruit sandwich. Arrange the fruit as you like for this sandwich. This goes in the fridge for 15 minutes. Fruit sandwiches have chilled very well. I have cut all the sandwiches. Let's see if the sandwich has got a flower pattern. Yes, friends, it almost looks like a flower. Not bad for first time. This one is the no flower pattern fruit sandwich. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.